Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to talk about the class 12 biology chapter 2nd sexual reproduction in flowering plant part 6. This is the part 6 of chapter 2nd. In this video we will discuss about some materials like as dormancy, apomixis, parthenocopic fruits, and polyembryony. Dormancy, second, promixis, parthenocopic fruits, and polyembryony. So let us start now. We see in our house, our home, some seed. This seed germinate after some time. When we add water or they have climatic conditions, so they germinate. Without atmosphere and moisture, seed cannot germinate. So they are goes on a non-active period. This period is the dormancy period. This period is the dormancy period. So we see here that the embryo may enter a state of inactive. See here that the embryo may enter a state of inactivity means they cannot active in this state. So these are inactivity is called dormancy. The embryo may enter a state of inactive. These are not active. When these are active, they generated. So this is the dormancy. You can see in your house a dry seeds like as paddy or wheat. We add in water. After some time they germinate. Without climatic condition, they cannot germinate. So this period is the dormancy period. Again, some seeds have more dormancy periods. Many dormancy period. 1 year to thousands years. As seed like Lupinus, seed like Lupinus arcticus. These are the seed are Lupinus arctic age 10,000 year. This dormancy have 10,000 years. You can see Lupinus arctic age 10,000 years. Vintage from Arctic tundra means they found in Arctic tundra. They inactivity means found in the Arctic tundra. And again a palm seed. These are the phoenix. Dactylifera. Phoenis dactylifera. Phoenis dactylifera have 2000 year, means this dormancy is the 2000 years. King hold is place, this place near death से near of death से a king hero's place occur in this place. Palm seed, Phoenix dactylifera. Phoenix dactylifera. So this seed have 10,000 year dormancy, and this seed have 2,000 years. And again we study about the apomixis. What is the apomixis? A few flowering plant such as some species as Asteraceae and grass have involved a special mechanism produce seed without fertilization called apomixis. Without fertilization we found the seed. This process is the apomixis. This is are found in Asteraceae and some grasses. Okay, so these are the apomixis. Again, parthenocarpic fruits. What is the parthenocarpic fruits? A few species in which fruits develop without fertilization. Some fruit develop without fertilization. Such fruit as called parthenocarpic fruits. This type of fruit is called parthenocarpic fruits. You know about some fruits develop without fertilization. These are the parthenocarpic fruits, like as banana, and polyimbrony. What is the polyimbrony? In such species, each ovule contain many embryos. In such species, ovule contain many embryos. Occurrence of more than one embryo in a seed is referred to as polyembryony. Means one seed present more than one embryo. One seed present more than one embryo is the polyembryony. Okay, is the polyembryony. Means one seed have one then more embryo. This process is the polyembryony. Okay, and parthenocarps, some fruit mix are produced without fertilization. This type of fruit is the parthenocarpic fruit, and this process is the parthenocarps. Without fertilization we obtain any fruits. These are the parthenocarpic fruit. Okay, and apomyxis, you know about apomyxis. Some plant like as Asteraceae and grass produced without fertilization. This process is the apomyxis. A few flowering plants such as some species of Asteraceae and grass have evolved a special mechanism. These have a special mechanism to produce seed. Special mechanism to produce seed without fertilization. Called apomyxis. Okay, special mechanism. These are the means apomyxis is a special mechanism. In this mechanism, seed produced without fertilization. Okay, and again dormancy. What is the dormancy? Seed have a inactivity. Seed have a stage, inactivity stage. Seed have a inactive state. You can see in your house, है ना? This inactive state is the dormancy. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this button. Okay, thanks for watching.